right. Guess which one this one is. You want to see? Dun, 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 dun. It's the Norvina box. All right. So I only have a limited amount of time to do this, so let's get into it. The Premium Box by Norvina, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I kind of looked in, but I didn't really look at everything because I was so excited. I just wanted to be on camera when I did it. So here we go. First up, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. Now I've seen this all over. Let me see if I don't rip the box. But this is the setting spray. The setting spray retails for $26. And I don't know about you, but I have my faves. But I'm totally into the dewy right now. I'm into the dewy look. I don't mind not looking like I'm dry and like I might need to drink some water. But isn't this pretty? Like, could you just see this sitting on a vanity? Well, not my vanity because I don't have one. But isn't that pretty? And it has a little nozzle. Let's see what the spray looks like. Oh, well, that was stupid. I got the fan going. But this is pretty. So I can't wait to try that. And then we have the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Now, I love mascara. Like, I really do. Right now, my fave is the Pat McGrath Dark Star. And it's really good. Like, I told y'all before, I don't know how to put on lashes, but I'm working on it. But that one is really good, and it makes me look like I have lashes on. So that one is cool. This bottle is heavy. Like, isn't that pretty though? Yeah, put next to my eyes. But yeah, this is really pretty. Let's see what the brush looks like. All right, fluffy. I could probably work with that. Do you guys remember the Zoom mascara by MAC? That used to be my favorite mascara, and then they sold it, or they stopped selling it and I forgot what replaced it, but I haven't been able to find one like that in forever, and that one was my favorite mascara. Ooh, we got some lashes. I don't exactly know what these ones are called. They just say false lashes. They just say false. Oh, lengthy. I don't know if that's the actual name of them, but that's what they're called. But these are pretty. I don't know if they're for me because they're kind of long, but we'll see. You never know. And I got a full size of the setting powder, the loose setting powder. Now, I will be honest that loose powders are not my friend because I always get them everywhere. So we'll see. Oh, it's kind of open. Oh, but yeah, but it has the little sifter to help me out here. So I'm excited to try this. I wouldn't, well, yes I would. I would probably put this all over my face. But like dusted, so that it's, but I don't know. I want to see what it looks like on a flash test. So maybe I'll do, when I get ready to do a Get Ready With Me, I'll try this and see. Because it says it's vegan, gluten-free. Why would there be gluten in makeup? I don't know. Maybe because of the powder? I don't know. But it's non-comedogenic. Dermatologist tested. I promise I could speak. Alcohol-free and long-wearing. Lightweight for setting makeup in place. I don't know, but it's the full size. And it retails for $38. Oh, and the lashes, they are called lengthy because that's what it says on the card. They retail for $12. So that's cool. But I'm excited about the setting powder. Up next, another brow product that I probably, well, I'm gonna learn. Because my daughter did her eyebrows today and they look so good. Like, yo, I'm glad we allowed her to play with makeup because when she can actually go outside in makeup, she won't be looking crazy. She won't look like she have Nike checks on her eyebrows. Or that she's related to Oscar the Grouch. I don't even know what this is. This is the tinted brow gel, and it's in the color Granite, but it's not really granite, because when I think of granite I think of brown. I mean, not brown, but black, but this is brown, and I don't know, you can kind of see, yeah, you can kind of see that it's brown. I thought that was interesting. So I don't know, maybe I'll learn how to use this too, or maybe I'll be passing it along to a sister, or maybe my daughter. I don't know, we'll see. But now, the finale, because I think that's all that's in here. Yeah. The palette. Now, I asked for the purple one, and it says I got volume 1, and that one is the purple one. So let's just hope that my choice did not get jacked up in this box, or let me rephrase that I didn't make the wrong choice in this box. But I've been wanting one of these palettes since they came out, just because they were huge and colorful and really. I got the right one. I'm so excited. Don't touch me. Number one, first off, can we just give Norvina her props? Because the packaging on all of these has been so pretty. Pricing, not so much. But the packaging, even on the mini ones that she came out with, were so pretty. Now, if I could get my hands on the other ones, the orange one didn't really, it screamed fall. And for aesthetics, it was beautiful. But I don't think I can see myself wearing any of those colors. But the teal one, baby, that's the one. That's the other one I really wanted. Okay, so it has a little card in here that says which colors you're not supposed to use on the eye, because these are pigments, not necessarily eyeshadows. But oh no, we opening this one today, I think. She's so pretty. Oh, and it comes with a little plastic. I keep these. Do you keep these? Let me know in the comments if you keep the little plastic covers that go under. And it's not broken. I've gotten 4 eyeshadow palettes over the last week, and all 4 of them have at least one pan where it's broken. And I'm so upset. But one of the companies did send out replacements, so I just have to notify the other one. But let's get into this one, baby. Oh! Now I know one of my sisters somewhere is saying she ain't even gonna wear all them colors. She right, but doesn't mean that I'm not gonna try. I've been wanting these for so long. I'm so excited. But let's swatch a little bit. Ooh. All right, my favorite color is purple. So we're going to swatch D2. Now she doesn't have names, she just has like the grid system. So let's see. Let's do that one. D2. Ooh. Let me get into this blue in D4. I'm not a swatcher yet. I'll be working on that. But that is beautiful. Let's see. Oh, this super like magenta, bright neon pink. That is so pretty. And I love a good blue eyeshadow. I am that girl. I am that girl. And right now my favorite blue is in an LA Colors palette. I don't know. I'll be doing a declutter, which hurts my feelings. But that one will be shown and probably not thrown away. I haven't decided yet. But the colors in this palette are absolutely gorgeous. I will show them again for effect. So I swatched this blue, that purple, and this pink. Oh, but that gold is calling my name too. Well, if I can find a free finger. Let's see. Oh, just imagine that as a little inner corner. Be popping. Sounds like a Miami color to me. I can't wait to go. But yes, so that was my box. Really, really fast. My next video will be a declutter. I think that's probably the safest bet. So that way I have somewhere to put these. But yes, let me know what you thought about the boxes. If there's anything that you have or have tried or want to try or that I should try, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share with your friends. Let them know that, you know, we just have fun over here. Ooh, and they also sent me a coupon. And if you know me, you know I love a good coupon. So maybe I'll be trying that out too. But yes, don't forget, talk to me down in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.